We'll guide you through how to access your Namecheap login effortlessly. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, go to the Namecheap website by typing www.namecheap.com into your browser's address bar and pressing enter. Once the page loads, look to the top right corner of the homepage where you'll find the Sign In button. Click on that button to proceed. You'll be directed to the login page where you need to enter your username or email address associated with your Namecheap account. Make sure you enter this information accurately to avoid any login issues. Next, enter your password in the field provided. If you've forgotten your password, don't worry, you can click on the Forgot Your Password link right below the password field. This will guide you through the steps to reset it. After entering your credentials, click the Sign In button. If your details are correct, you'll be redirected to your account dashboard where you can manage your domains and other services. For added security, consider enabling two-factor authentication by going to your account settings once logged in. This adds an extra layer of protection to your account. Remember, keeping your login information secure is crucial to protect your domains and account details. That's all there is to it. Now you're all set to manage your Namecheap account with ease. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.